today I'm here and we're playing Don't Press the Button. Don't press the button. And don't press the button for yeah, it took me really long to say don't press the button for. But yeah, we're playing this game in Roblox, of course. And I'm not sure why I have a banana, and I'm not sure why balls are rolling down. But yeah, and I'm so sorry I haven't been posting for like 5 or 6 days. But I'm sorry, but I didn't quit. I can't even move. Excuse me, no. Excuse me. Fight. Did I win? I won. I won! Okay, now let me just... Whoa, yeah. I can't even, like, turn. Kill you. Whatever your name is. I'm not even gonna get my little air conditioner. My blower. Yeah, I won! My coins. As you guys can see, this is a really fun game. And yeah. Oh. I didn't even choose one. What? I loved it. I love coins. Excuse me, why do you still have a blow dryer? Okay, I want to clear it. Okay, what's this? Oh, I'm totally gonna win. Like, I'm really good at this. Oh no, the blue hair guy. No! You know what? Fine. I guess I have to agree that I lost. Well, not so fast. I won! Wait, there was a tsunami. I actually didn't even know there was a tsunami. What's up in that one? Am I like the only one that won? Yay! Oh. That was the first thing I didn't do. I'm actually like stuck. Everyone, get to the water. I'm literally dying. Excuse me. Get into the water. Oh my goodness. If you guys like me to play more of these games, then make sure to like. And if you guys are wondering why am I not talking too much, that's because I'm concentrated, and I don't know if you know, but when you're recording, you don't talk a lot. And I think I found the exit. No, we didn't. Where are we? Don't ask me that question. Because I know either. I don't know. For real, like, I don't. Where am I supposed to go exactly? Should have followed the other people. I made it to the exit. It's literally right here. But, like, for real. I don't know what to do now. Oh, I was the first one that made it. Oh. Okay. Jump. And jump. Okay. That wasn't that hard. I want to click the button. No, you're not going to click it. I'm going to click it. I clicked it. Oh, gosh. Oh, my. It's not so bad. It's just like a little dinosaur, which I'm going to bite your head off if you don't subscribe right now. Just kidding. I haven't done that. It's your opinion. If you don't want to subscribe, it's fine. That's your opinion. And I have 20%. Great. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have 20%. Can't do nothing about it, can I? Oh, yeah, you lost. You don't know how to win. Excuse me! Did I just die? I'm not allowed to die. I can't die. I'm a winner. I'm a winner chicken dinner. Oh. That was pretty obvious for me to do. Because I'm silly. I was going to say single as a Pringle, but I'm not. I am single, but I'm not single. I'm not. Okay, I was just going to say something else. Yeah, I am single, actually. But anyway, I was going to say winner as a Pringle. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm just going to say between these. Oh, gosh. I should have stayed here. These has more in case. See, these has more. Oh, no, no, no. I don't know why I screamed like that. Oh gosh, no. I just pick one. Shalena, pick one. Pick one. So scared. We won! Oh, boo boo. We won. We won. We won. Yay! I fit. Fight. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I didn't die. I didn't. I'm just here because there's a little glitch and I just didn't die. I didn't. I promise. I didn't. No, obviously no. Duh. Oh gosh. Why do people still have the blower? Why do you still have the blow dry? I'm not sure. Do you guys blow dry your hair? Do you just let it like sit and wait until it like dries up? I'm one of the people that like blow dries my hair. I'm not sure why. I don't like it at all. It's so uncomfortable, like to put it on top of your hand and then start blowing up your hair. So just annoying because it weighs so much. I'm sorry if I'm clicking my phone too much and you guys are like hearing when I'm clicking. I'm so sorry. So I'm sorry. Did I say that like 50 times already? I'm sorry. What am I even talking about? Oh, and yes, today I will be posting 2 videos to make up for the like 5 days I haven't even posted. So yeah. Feed the giant noob. Pink's my lucky color. It's actually blue, but let's just imagine it's pink. Even though, like, my favorite color is yellow and pink and blue and purple and black and red and white, of course. I might go for blue this time. Okay, that was really annoying. That was so annoying. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to stay tuned because I will be posting 2 videos today because, I mean, I have to make up for the videos that I haven't even posted. But yeah, see you in the next one. Bye!